Hi, little artist! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool and easy, a house. Are you ready to create your very own house? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing the roof of our house. We'll begin with a triangle on the left side and a parallelogram on the right side for the roof. Awesome! Now, let's draw the walls of the house. We'll use 2 rectangles, one for each wall. Our house is taking shape. Next, let's add the base or floor of the house. We'll draw 2 more rectangles under the walls. Now, let's make our house more homey by adding a door. Draw a rectangle in one of the walls for the door. Great! And what's a house without windows? Let's draw a window in the other wall. And let's add another window in the triangle part of the roof, a cute circle window. Fantastic! Our house drawing is complete. But we're not done yet. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to really make our artwork pop. Look at how nicely our house is looking. It's all ready to be colored in. Now, it's time to add some color and bring our house to life. We're going to use rainbow colors to make it super bright and fun. Let's start with purple color. Next, let's use blue color. Now, let's add some green color. Time for yellow color. Let's use orange color now. And of course, red color. Finally, let's finish with maroon color.
Awesome!
Whoa! Our house looks so colorful and cozy. Fantastic job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored house. It's all ready for someone to move in. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.